Good morning, good morning. Today is our final day and it's sad. There was a big party last night. I'll go into that in a minute. But yeah, so today we've come from Harvey. We've had a coach ride to Malibu and then we're riding down to Santa Monica. But there are people in not a very fit state at all. There were lots of shenanigans, shall we say, last night. A few cans of beer. I was good. I was very good and didn't, well, I don't drink, so it's fun to watch. So this is Malibu. It's a bit misty, but it is very pretty. All the mist up on the hills. So we're heading that way for about 4K. As my heart beats on my chest. Well done, man.
Mate.
You did so well.
Thank you, darling.
Amazingly.
Happy days.
Well done, you. Thank you. You made it so much fun. Oh, you did, honestly.
We must stay in touch for
sure. We will 100% stay in touch, my dear.
Hi, gorgeous.
Well
oh, that was so much fun.
in your trainers as well.
I know,
in my trainers.
You deserve extra kudos for trainers, my friend.
I will take those extra kudos.
So good.
Matthew!
Hey!
Oh, hi, Boo!
Welcome.
Well done! Oh. You got it.
Well done.
Is this like a race or a tour? Or
It's a tour for charity. We began in San Francisco last week.
okay, and so then you ride your bikes farther
This
down.
is
to
it.
pick-
We are now done.
We're done.
Over
This
450
is-
miles.
450 miles in 7 days, and we are
Spent.
We are
So
spent.
yeah, I
Well
can imagine.
spent.
So what charity?
So it's for We Charity.
Okay.
Which is a global organization based in Canada.
Okay.
Most of this group is British, actually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
From the
Interesting.
UK.
Wow,
Yeah.
wow, you guys are far afield.
Craig is our CEO.
Oh, wow.
Thank you
Very
so
nice.
much for being so interested. It's
No,
really
I
kind
know
of
it
you.
is. It's
Can I
wonderful.
get you to do me a
Okay.
favor?
Well done, you. That was really good.
It was Sorry. I'll try not to swear now.
I'm here with my two amigos, my two other amigos. And just wanted to say, like, genuinely, you've done both so well. I'm so
you.
proud of
I'm
you
so
both.
proud. I'm so proud of you.
I'm so proud of all of us, though.
Yeah.
Like, it's
You
been
both
amazing.
smashed
There was
it.
times there where it was so low,
Yeah.
and we all got each other through it. Like that one day where it was just a long road, and we sat
Yeah.
together and rode together and had so much fun. Could have been
It's-
boring and
It's
horrible.
it's like memories just going to stay with me forever. There's just so many amazing people here and like different experiences, like cycling, like even like yesterday cycling non-handed, first time on a road bike. I was just like, which was incredible, and dancing away to like the Spice Girls and stuff like that.
Yeah,
it's just
unreal
little
experience.
different things. I mean, I've learned so much about the bike as well, and how it works, and how I can get the most out of it, basically. And it's just been in
I think you're
absolute
hooked.
zone.
I think we've got you
I'm a
into
little
cycling.
bit hooked. I'm a little bit hooked.
Woo! Back in Manchester, we'll be riding.
Oh, definitely.
No.
But still filming.
No, I want to congratulate Matt on the biggest diva-ish moment I've ever seen.
What was that?
The puncture. I love it. Come here, you. Come here, you.
Double puncture.
Just leave me. Just leave me. I can't talk right now. He was.
It was. Yeah, I was like, I can't
He
talk.
was like this by the side of the boat. Just go.
I was like, just go on.
We
just
cycled
go on.
off with like.
It's my
you know,
second
bit of
puncture in
deep-
5
swallow.
minutes.
Never swear on the camera. Bit of deep, isn't he?
It was.
What a diva.
I was just. I'd had it up to here. I'd not had my breakfast. I'd not had any coffee. I was 2 punctures in, like in 2 minutes. I was just like, just keep going. Just keep going. Leave me, because if you stop, I'm just going to have a nervous breakdown. So yeah.
But you did it. You
I
carried
did.
on.
I was here.
You pulled it back.
I made it.
You did. I'm so
I
proud
was,
of
yeah.
you. I'm so proud of you.
Cycling weekend. Probably never happened.
Anyway,
The bath mat, actually.
how did you find the ride?
Brilliant. That was brilliant, wasn't it?
Yeah, there's a wasp on your chest. I think it's going to sting you.
Yeah, it really is.
No, it really is. It's like crawling.
Vegan, you don't mind. It's fine.
I mind.
See, they don't respect
Why?
you.
All right. Sorry.
Where is it? I don't mind. So come on, tell me how you found the ride.
Yeah, really good. Gosh, now you're on camera, it's hard to think of words to say, isn't it?
Toughest week ever, but worth
Toughest
it.
week ever.
I mean,
So worth it.
started with a poo at the top of the hill. Now you can't use it.
Because I'm going to use it. You pooed at the top of the hill. Come on,
You'll be on the
come
internet pooing
You're a
on
little
top of
bit
the
more, what's the word?
Mature.
Yes.
What is the question? Sorry.
How was the ride? How was the whole
Just
week?
today or the whole week?
All of it.
I think everyone will agree. Like the terrain, emotions have been up and down.
Oh, that was good.
You like that?
Great sound
You like
bites.
that? And having
Alan Partridge
comrades
right
and fellow
here.
cyclists at this has made it epic. Just like the scenery. It's been great. It's been horrible. But I'm happy to make it to the finish line. Woo! Woo.
Well done, guys. Well done.
When can I go and sleep?
So that is the ride completed. We are in Santa Monica, just at the beach, and one amazing, epic adventure. I'm really sad it's over. We've just seen some incredible views, obviously, with a really fabulous, fun group of people. So let's go and pack up the bike to go home, back to the cold. It's probably about 20 degrees, so it's lovely and toasty. It's going to be chilly going back home to the UK. But honestly, incredible. That is how I would describe it in a few words. Just absolutely incredible. Spectacular, breathtaking scenery. Just brilliant fun. So that's why you gotta love the bikes. You gotta love the bikes. So until the next adventure, I will see you in the next video.